on it?
These are
Like
popcorn Snickers, and these are popcorn Sour Patch Kits for New Food Friday. First, let's try the popcorn Sour Patch because at least they're already open. They look like plain popcorn.
Try it.
Whoa, that is good. That is so good. That's the best.
So on the box, it shows little bits of candy on it. Oh, some of them do. Some of them have. It smells like cotton candy.
It smells like yeah, that's really good.
It's sour.
You guys have to try them too. Yeah.
They smell like
It's
cotton
just like
candy.
the bag says, sour than sweet. That's pretty good.
I like it.
I had it. It's pretty sweet though. Really tasty.
Help you open it?
Now we're gonna have the Snicker one.
Candy Pop Snickers.
Can you see the
Well,
pieces?
those actually look like a difference. That is a difference.
Chocolate coated.
I need to try it one more time.
What do you think of those?
Looks pretty good.
They smell nutty. They have a nutty taste. They just taste like plain popcorn with a little bit of chocolate.
Okay, but let's
They
try.
kind of taste like crackers.
They really do taste nutty.
I was thinking they taste kind of like zebra popcorn, but with nuts. It has
Yeah.
a peanutty flavor.
Yeah, kind of.
It really does.
It tastes kind of familiar.
Like Snickers?
Not really.
No, like Cracker Jacks. It's like Cracker Jacks with a little bit of popcorn on top. Oh, I like the Sour Patch ones better,
Yeah.
but I only ate one. I don't know that I'd sit and eat like a bunch of it because it's kind of a strong sour flavor.
I would eat a bunch of it.
Sour Patch Kids, thumbs up. And other one, and Snickers,
They're both
side.
They're both
They're
good.
both good, but
Sour
Side
Patch Kids
for
better.
Sour Patch Kids are way better.
Side for chocolate.
All right.
Sour Patch Kids are way better.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.